morning, children. I am teacher Elizabeth. I'm back again. Today we have social study. Topic: family. What is family? Family is a group of people living together. Family is the group of people living together. What we call family is our father, our mother, and children. Children like your sister, like you, we call them children. This is group of people living together. Family is father, mother, and children. Now let's go to types of family. We have different types of family. We have big family and we have small family. Big family, we call it extended family. What we call extended is something big. We call it extended family. And we have small family. Small family, we call it nuclear family. We have two types of family. Types of family: big family and small family. Big family is something big, and we have small family. Big family and small family. Now let's go and see the diagram of big family. This is big family. Big family is grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, auntie, and children. If you see this diagram, you see that this is what we call big, because there are more than 2 or 3 in that family. Big family is extended family. Big family is extended family. Big family is grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, auntie, and children. Now let's go and see small family. I told you small family is something small. Maybe 2 people or 3 people. We call them small family. Now this is diagram of small family. Small family is father, mother, and children. Small family, I told you we call it nuclear family. Small family is nuclear family, something small. We call it nuclear family. We call it small family. It consists 3 or 4 people. It's not more than 3 or 4 people in the family. This is small family. Small family is father, mother, and children. I told you this is family. All this we call them family. Family. What is family? Family is group of people living together. Big family, they living together. Small family, they living together. This is people living together. Family is a group of people living together. And family is father, mother, and children. Family is father, mother, and children. We have types of family. Types of family: big family and small family. Big family and small family. Big family and small family. This is diagram of big family. I told you big family, we call it extended family. Something bigger. We call it extended family. It consists maybe 10 people in the family or 15 people, like our grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, auntie, and children. Maybe children like 5, like 4, like 3. We call them big family. This is diagram of small family. Small family is father, mother, and children. Small family is father, mother, and children. Now I want to show you another diagram of big family and small family. Okay, I want to show you another brief diagram of big family and small family. We call it extended family. We call them extended family.
Happy birthday to you!
Now everybody look at this diagram. This is what we call big family. This is big family. You see all of them, they more than 2 or 3 people. If we count this, they are like 15 or 20 in the family. This is what we call big family. And this is extended family. I told you extended family is big family because there are more than 2 or 3 in the family. They are like 15, 20 in the family. And let's go and see the small family. This is small family. I told you small family consists like 3 or 4 in the family. This is father, mother, and children. This is father, mother, and children. This is small family. This is small family. Okay, see you.